What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. I'm out here on a beautiful spot. Check out that cascade right there. It's beautiful. I can't wait to see it. I'm gonna go down there and check it out. I'm gonna go underneath the falls. I think I'm gonna go for a swim. I'm right here in the falls, coming down all around me here. Have a look at this. As you can see, the water's a little cold right now. I think I'm going to go for a little quick swim in the water. Oh my god, it's cold. Oh my god, it's freezing cold. Woo! I gotta tell you, really cold. Oh god. I'm gonna try and go under the falls here. Water. Holy. Hey guys, had a good night's sleep, slept in a tent. Now I'm back here at the cascade again. Check that out. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Look at that view. Guys, you gotta check out the waterfall right now. We got a beautiful rainbow going in right here. I'm gonna get a closer look at that. So right now I'm under the waterfall, a bit of a cave right here. Pretty cool. What you want to see, when you look right here, the rainbow with the sunshine reflecting right through. Let's check that out. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm out here in a beautiful cascade, in a bit of a cave. Paradise.